In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Brevo emails. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the video block, how to insert your video link, and how to style it so it looks great on desktop and mobile. Let's start by logging into your Brevo account. Head to the login page and sign in. If you use Google to access Brevo, click Sign In with Google and choose your account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land in the main dashboard. From here, open the marketing area to access your email tools. Next, go to Campaigns, where you'll see a list of your existing email campaigns. Choose the campaign you want to work on, then open it and select Edit Design. This takes you straight into the drag and drop editor, where all the content blocks and design options live. In the editor, look for the video block in the content panel. Click and drag that video block onto your email layout, and drop it where you want the video to appear. If you're not sure where to place it, try positioning it below your headline or above your main call to action so it's easy to spot without scrolling. Once it's in your layout, click directly on the inserted video block to open its settings. On the left side panel, you'll see a field for the video URL. Paste the link to your video here. It can be a link from your hosting platform or a landing page where the video lives. Keep in mind that most email clients don't play video inline. Brevo will generate a clickable thumbnail with a play button that opens the video in a browser, which is the most reliable approach for deliverability and consistent viewing. With the URL in place, fine-tune the presentation. Adjust alignment to center to the block for a clean, balanced look. Tweak spacing above and below the video so it doesn't feel cramped, especially on mobile. Customize the play button style, size, and color to match your brand, and ensure good contrast so it's obvious at a glance. If your editor shows a preview image, make sure it's clear and enticing. A frame with a human face or bold motion tends to get more clicks. Before you finish, scan the layout in mobile and desktop previews to confirm the video section looks good and the spacing feels natural. A concise caption or line of context right above the video can lift engagement, and consistent styling with the rest of your email helps it feel professional. That's it. Log in, open your campaign design, drag in the video block, paste your URL, and style the block so it pops. Save your changes, and you're ready to send a more engaging email with a clear video call to action.